Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cushion treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Y-Run Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. This treadmill is designed with versatility and portability in mind, making it a solid choice for those looking to stay active while working or relaxing at home. Its standout feature is the 2.5 HP brushless motor, which ensures ultra-quiet operation and eliminates the common issues of smoke or burning smells often found in brushed motors. With a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, this treadmill is perfect for walking or light jogging. In terms of design, the Y-Run treadmill is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing just 37.5 pounds. This makes it easy to move around and store under your desk or sofa. The dual shock absorption system, which combines a suspended running board and TPR cushioning pad, provides excellent protection for your joints, making it a joint-friendly option for daily use. However, its smaller deck length of 40 inches may feel restrictive for taller users or those with a longer stride. While this treadmill is a budget-friendly and space-saving solution, it's best suited for light workouts and users who prioritize a quiet, low-impact exercise option. The inclusion of app connectivity and a remote control adds convenience, but its lower weight capacity of 265 pounds and limited speed range may not meet the needs of more advanced users. Pros include its portability, quiet motor, and joint protection, while cons are its limited speed and smaller running surface. Coming in at number 4, we have the WellFit Treadmill for Home Small. This ultra-compact treadmill is designed for small spaces, making it an excellent option for apartments, dorm rooms, or home offices. It features a 10% adjustable incline, which allows you to simulate outdoor terrain and target specific muscle groups for a more intense workout. With a speed range of 1.0 to 4.0 mph and a quiet 2.5 HP motor, the WellFit treadmill is suitable for walking and light jogging without disturbing others. The design of the WellFit treadmill is both lightweight and functional, weighing only 29 pounds. It includes a 5-layer anti-slip running belt with 8-point shock absorption, which reduces the impact on your joints and enhances overall workout comfort. The treadmill is also equipped with smart connectivity options, working seamlessly with apps like KinoMap and Apple Health to track your progress and keep you motivated. However, the deck length of 35.83 inches and a weight capacity of 265 pounds may limit its appeal to taller users or those with more advanced fitness needs. The WellFit treadmill is perfect for users looking for a joint-friendly, space-saving solution for indoor exercise. While it may not be ideal for runners or high-intensity workouts due to its maximum speed and compact size, it excels in portability and functionality. Pros include its adjustable incline, app compatibility, and quiet operation, while its cons are the shorter deck length and lower maximum speed. At number 3, we have the Horizon Fitness Folding Treadmill, a versatile option for home workouts. This treadmill stands out with its robust build quality, featuring a feather-light folding frame for easy storage and a spacious 60-inch by 20-inch running surface. With a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a 12% incline, this treadmill is suitable for everything from walking to intense running sessions. The 3-zone variable response cushioning ensures optimal joint support by adapting to different phases of your running stride. In terms of design, the Horizon T202 model is built for durability and performance. It includes Bluetooth connectivity for pairing with your devices, allowing you to stream music or workout classes via built-in speakers. The easy dial controls make adjusting speed and incline effortless, so you can focus on your workout without interruptions. However, its larger size and heavier weight of 104.78 kilograms may not be ideal for users with limited space. The Horizon Fitness Treadmill is a fantastic choice for those who want a high-performance treadmill with advanced features. While it's not the most compact option on the list, its sturdiness, adjustable incline, and top speed make it well-suited for dedicated runners or users with advanced fitness goals. Pros include its spacious running area, Bluetooth connectivity, and ergonomic cushioning, while its cons are its size and higher price point. Taking the second spot on our list is the Funray Versatile Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline. This unique treadmill combines fitness and relaxation into one compact device, featuring an innovative dual-function design that includes both a treadmill and a foot massager. With a high-torque 2.5 HP motor and a robust weight capacity of 330 pounds, this treadmill is designed for a wide range of users. It also features a 6.2 miles per hour maximum speed when the armrest is extended, making it suitable for walking, jogging, and light running. The design of the Funray treadmill is sleek and functional, with an advanced multi-point shock absorption system to protect your joints during workouts. The dual-panel screen and remote control make it easy to switch between modes, and the treadmill even includes a foot massage feature inspired by nature, mimicking the sensation of walking on soft pebbles. However, its deck length of 52.12 inches may feel slightly short for taller users. The Funray treadmill is ideal for users who want a versatile and unique treadmill that goes beyond standard fitness equipment. It's perfect for home gyms, offering multiple modes to meet the needs of the entire family. Pros include its dual functionality, high weight capacity, and shock absorption, while cons are its shorter running deck and slightly higher price point. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the RaiseSpace 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill with 8% incline and handlebar. This treadmill offers an unbeatable combination of power, versatility, and thoughtful design. Featuring a 3.5 HP motor and a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour, this treadmill delivers smooth and quiet performance while accommodating users up to 330 pounds. The 8% incline simulates hill climbing, increasing calorie burn by up to 150% compared to flat running. The design of the RaiseSpace treadmill is both space-saving and feature-packed, with a 6-layer non-slip running belt and advanced shock absorption system. It's a joint-friendly choice for runners with knee or joint issues. The compact folding design makes it easy to store, and the treadmill's LED display and connectivity with the FitShow app provide a modern, interactive workout experience. Its wide running area and sturdy build ensure comfort and stability for users of all fitness levels. The RaiseSpace treadmill is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to maximize their workout potential from the comfort of home. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced runners, offering a wide range of speeds and incline options. Pros include its powerful motor, incline functionality, and excellent shock absorption, while cons are its higher price point and slightly bulkier design compared to other walking pads. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.